Beloveds, this message chose you. It's a remembrance, not coincidence. Open your breath, open your heart. Your divine unfolding begins now. Parrot spirit, watch your words. What are you repeating to yourself, my love? Is it something that makes you feel good about yourself and reminds you of your strengths and potential? Parrots mimic the sounds around them, and when parrot spirit appears, it is time to be more mindful of your self-talk and its qualities. Onnan tatara kya kushantura kya korra. Remembering to speak with light and love can become a habit. Be generous with compliments and thanks, affirming all that is good so that your loving, healing words will be heard throughout the jungle, cutting through the noise and inspiring others, as well as yourself. Listen for the words that remind you of all the strength, abundance, and joy in your life, and repeat them, affirming what is real, what is true, and what is nurturing to your soul or essence. The universe will reflect back to you the story you tell. Words matter, so choose ones that lift you up and inspire others to remember the beauty that surrounds us all. Are you aware of what you're saying to yourself and others? The parrot spirit also shows up as a reminder to notice the words that flow from your mouth, your pen, your keyboard, and your mind. Stay mindful of the beliefs you have internalized. Are they what you choose to believe? Are you communicating with integrity? Parrot spirit wants you to listen to what you say and examine your motives for saying it. Your voice has power. You can change the conversation in your heart and in the world around you. Parrots represent the law of praise. So you, my love, are called to speak the truth and speak with love. Remember, love is truly all there is. I love each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and comment.